Here are ADA, American Disabilities Act, approved recommendations for a bathroom renovation. The ADA provides guidelines for designs and construction of buildings to ensure accessibility to people with disabilities. If you are planning on renovating your bathroom and ensure that it's compliant with ADA, here are some things to keep in mind. Installing grab bars and installing a roll-in shower or a shower that has a small curb or lack thereof so you can access it with a wheelchair and or a walker. A handheld shower head that allows people to adjust the position and the direction of water. Installing lever handles on your faucet can also help people who require less dexterity and strength to operate. Installing a comfort height toilet allows people easier to sit down and get up versus a regular toilet. Installing a sink that has wheelchair accessibility. These are only a few ADA options and recommendations to make your bathroom better, safer, and more accessible.